Hello everyone, my name is Gregory. I am one of the tech support agents here at AUTOSOL. We're happy to announce that we have implemented OPC UA as the latest feature in ACM. As such, I would like to share with you how OPC UA works within ACM. The first thing we'll take a look at today is the ACM monitor and see what's new in there. Then we'll move on to showing you ACM working with a couple of OPC UA clients such as UA Expert and Ignition. So let's get started. Share my screen with you all here. So right off the bat, we see a new service available, the ASI OPC Ua Service, and a new tab available, the Client Protocols tab. The ASI OPC Ua Service is located under the Show Optional Services section, so whenever you want to enable this feature, just make sure to enable the service from here. Moving on to the Client Protocols tab, this is where you can configure what type of security you want to enable for your OPC Ua server. So let's see what we can configure in here. So we have three tabs available for you all. We have the Properties tab, the Users tab, and the PKI tab. In a future video, we will cover these tabs in a bit more detail, but for now, let's go ahead and move on to the ACM configuration. So just a brief note that I wanted to provide for you all in this ACM configuration. There is nothing new and nothing has changed, and there is no new configuration required of you in order to have the OPC UA feature function properly. So as soon as you enable that service, you should be good to go. So now let's go ahead and move on to using our OPC UA clients. The first one up is the UA Expert. So I've already gone ahead and created a server for us, as well as added some items from our ROC and TotalFlow devices. So now we're going to learn how to add some items ourselves. So at the bottom left-hand corner, we're going to see a folder called Data Access. I'm going to want to expand that folder, and this tree node should look familiar to you. It should be identical to that of the ACM configurations tree node. So from there, you're just going to go to your devices and search for an item. I will add a protocol item from my ROC device. I'll add a clock item. I'm going to add year. So to add it, all you have to do is just click them, drag them, and drop them here in the middle pane. It's that easy. If you want to use multiple items at the same time, you can use the shift function here. Click them, drag them, drop them, and that's it. Now let's move on to our Ignition client. So we have a couple of tags here from our ROC devices and my TotalFlow device as well. Now we're going to learn how to add and browse to the items from Ignition. So on the left-hand side, you will see the plus sign. You're going to want to click that and select the Browse Devices option. Then click on the connection that you've previously made in Ignition, and from there it should be the same. This time I will add a TotalFlow item. I'll go ahead and add a contract hour. So from here, just click it, drag it, drop it, hit apply, hit OK, and our item is updating. Alright everyone, that concludes our debut for OPC UA in ACM. In our next video, we will cover how to add items manually into our OPC UA clients. Until then, thank you all for watching and have a great day.